Welcome guys, so today I'm with Vivo Sport Lite earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your iPhone. So at the first you have to grab them like that, and in this place you will find few buttons. That's the plus, minus and this multifunction button. So at the first we have to click and hold this middle button until this indicator starts blinking on the green. So click and hold, and right now we can release. It means that we are in the pairing mode. So go for the settings. Next you have to go for the Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and now just wait until our Vivo Wireless Sport Lite earbuds pops on the list. Here they are, so select them, and right now we are connected. So that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.